you can have yourself this soft, succulent body butter that can easily melt off on your skin. Even your skin will be grateful. If you want to know the secret how this is made, just follow and watch this video to the end. We'll be needing our major ingredient, that's the shea butter. Shea butter is very good for your skin. It moisturizes your skin. It helps to clean off stretch mark on your skin. It helps to protect your skin against the sun. What you're going to do is to melt the shea butter. And to do that, you'll be using the double boiler method. What you need to do is place a steaming pan on top of a pot of boiling water. Then you can place the bowl of shea butter on top of it. Just allow it to boil for a while, sit for a while. It's going to melt. This you're avoiding melting directly to avoid losing its nutrients. So this is our melted shea butter. Now we can add other oils. We're going to start with carrot oil. Then you can go in with other oil like castor oil. Castor oil helps to take care of acne, wrinkles, and it helps to treat dry skin. The next thing we added is the glycerine. Glycerine too helps to deep moisturize skin. Then we add a spoon of almond oil too. Stir a little. Then you go in with your vitamin E oil. Vitamin E helps to prevent hyperpigmentation, and it also helps to solve issue with eczemas and wrinkles. So you can add more than this if you wish to. We'll stir them together. Then now we're going to transfer into the fridge for like 30 to 1 hour. This is to allow it to thicken a little so it can whisk. So after 1 hour, here our oil is beginning to solidify. Now it's very chill, because in order to whisk it well, we'll need to let it chill. Now that it's very chill, we'll proceed to whisk it into our body butter. So we can add some more coconut oil. This we are adding is because of the smell from the shea butter. It has this unique smell. We're trying very hard to douse the smell. So we added 1 spoon of vanilla extract. This to make it smell nicer. You can add other essential oil if you wish, or even perfume, just to change the smell from the shea butter. Now we'll mix thoroughly until it thickens, until we have a thickened consistency. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You will get updates anytime we have new videos. Our videos are educative and very informative, and you agree with us. You can check through the page if you have the time. So while we're at it, this is it. We are done whisking. This is the smooth paste we want. So now you can transfer into your body butter containers and use anytime you wish to. This is so interesting. Who else is trying this? Let us know in our comment section how it went and what you're using it for. You can use this for kids, for adults. It will renew your skin at the end of the day. So I hope this was useful. See you in our next video. Bye.